the degrees of freedom means in the previous classes, and important question of pressure of the ideal gas in the container which has the elastic walls. Then after the kinetic interpretation of temperature and relation between pressure of the gas and energy of the gas, that we are discussed in the last chapter. And then after the law of equipartition of energy also we are studying. Now in this class we want to discuss one of the important question in this chapter for 4 marks. In this chapter, this topic is important, especially for examination point of view. Very, very important for 4 marks question. There is a chance to get in the examination for 4 marks. Specific heat gases, law of equipartition energy. In case of a gas, specific heat is 2 types. The specific heat of the gas is 2 types. One is specific heat of the gas at constant pressure Cp. Another one is specific heat of the gas at constant volume Cv. In thermodynamics, we will discuss clearly about Cp and Cv. What is the equation for Cp? dq by dt. And what about Cv? du by dt. Cp is dq by dt, Cv is du by dt. For ideal gas, the difference between the specific heat at constant pressure, specific heat at constant volume is equal to universal gas constant Cp minus Cv is equal to R. This proof we have studied in the thermodynamics chapter, but in this chapter we find the ratio between specific heat at constant pressure, specific heat at constant value, means we calculate gamma. What is a gamma? Gamma is the ratio between Cp and Cv. Gamma, ratio between Cp and Cv. This gamma is called an arbitrary constant. This constant value is different for different gases. Different gases means as per the kinetic theory, the gases are monatomic gas, diatomic gas, polyatomic gas, monoatomic gas, diatomic gas and polyatomic gas. Let us take monoatomic gas just like a helium, diatomic gas just like a hydrogen, polyatomic gas, nitrogen, ammonia, number of gases are there. Polyatomic, monoatomic, diatomic, more than 2 means 3, 4, 5, 6 dash dash dash. That all are called as polyatomic gases. Now what about gamma for monoatomic gas? Otherwise what is Cp? Specific heat at constant pressure for monoatomic gas and diatomic gas. And what about Cp for monoatomic gas and diatomic gas, and what is the ratio between them? Now we want to discuss clearly. Now first we take a monoatomic gas. According to law of equipartition of energy, according to law of equipartition of energy, monoatomic gas has 3 degrees of freedom. What are the 3 degrees? Translatory motion. 3 degrees means x direction, y direction and z direction. Monoatomic gas has how many degrees of freedom? 3 degrees of freedom, x, y, z. That is translatory. Each degree of freedom energy is how much? Half kT or half kBT. But 3 degrees of freedom, 3 by 2 kT. So Cv is equal du by dt. What is the U? Energy. As per the equipartition theory, energy U for only 1 degree of freedom is half kT. but 3 degrees of freedom 3 by 2 kT. Instead of U, what I am taken? 3 by 2 kT. Why 3 by 2 kT? Actual half kT. Half kT for 1 degree of freedom energy. 3 degrees of freedom 3 by 2 kT. So now you differentiate with respect to T. What we can get? K is a constant, Boltzmann constant. That's why we can take 3 by 2 K as it is. dt cancel. And you know that one. What is a K? Boltzmann constant. Boltzmann constant, how we can write? R by N. It is for only one molecule of the gas. For n molecules of the gas, remove the n. Cv is equal to 3 by 2 R. Yes, what is the specific heat at constant volume of monoatomic gas? For monoatomic gas, the specific heat at constant volume is 3 by 2 times of universal gas constant. 3 by 2 times of universal gas constant. We know that for ideal gas, what is the equation? Cp minus Cv is equal to R. For ideal gas, Cp minus Cv is equal to R, and you take Cv in this side, Cv plus R. What is the Cv? 3 by 2 R plus R. So what we can get? 5R by 2 R, 5 by 2 R. This is the Cp. What is the specific heated constant pressure of the monoatomic gas? 5 by 2 times of universal gas constant, means Cp is equal 5 by R. Now gamma, arbitrary constant, Cp by Cv. What is Cp? 5 by 2 R. What is Cv? 3 by 2 R. R cancel, 2 cancel, gamma is equal to how much? 5 by 3. For monoatomic gas, gamma is equal to how much? 5 by 3. Now, diatomic gas. According to law of equipartition of energy, diatomic gas has 5 degrees of freedom. How many degrees of freedom? 5 degrees. In that one, 1, 2, 3 translatory, 2 rotatory, translatory x, y, z, rotatory clockwise and anti-clockwise. X, y, z, clockwise, anti-clockwise. Totally how many are there? 5. So 5 degrees of freedom, then Cv is equal to du by dt. Then what is a u? 5 by 2 kT. Why? How many degrees of freedom? 5. Each degree of freedom how much? Half kT. Each degree is half kT. 5 degrees means 5 by 2 kT. Now 5 by 2 k is common. Tt dt cancel. So again k is equal to how much? K is a Boltzmann constant. K in the place of k, R by N. So for n molecules, what happen? Cv is equal to 5 by 2 R. Okay, what is the specific heat of the gas? Specific heat of the gas at constant volume for diatomic molecule is 5 by 2 times of the universal gas constant. Then after you take Cp value. We know that Cp minus Cv is equal to R. So Cp is equal to Cv plus R. 5 by 2 R plus R, so 7 by 2 R. Now what is the specific heat at constant pressure of a diatomic gas? 7 by 2 times of universal gas constant. Cp is equal to 7 by 2 R. Now what is the gamma? Cp by Cv. What is Cp? 7 by 2 R. What is Cv? 5 by 2 R. Cancel, R cancel, 2 cancel, 7 by 5. What is the gamma for diatomic gas? Gamma means arbitrary constant. Gamma arbitrary constant for diatomic gas is how much? 7 by 5. Is it clear? See that, write that. Now third one, polyatomic gas. What is the third one? Polyatomic gas. According to law of equipartition of energy, according to law of equipartition of energy, polyatomic gas has how many degrees of freedom? 6 degrees of freedom. In that 6, 3 translatory, comma, 2 rotatory, comma, 1 vibratory. okay, or translational or vibrational or rotational or translatory, rotatory and vibratory. Totally how many are there? 6 degrees of freedom. According to law of equipartition of energy, polyatomic gas has 6 degrees of freedom. How many degrees of freedom? 6 degrees. In that one, XYZ, 3 translatory, clockwise and anti-clockwise, 2 rotatory, vibration 1. So this is the means this gas has means polyatomic gas has a which one? 6 degrees of freedom. Then CV is called how much? du by dt. Then how many degrees of freedom it exists? 6 degrees. So d by dt into each degree is half kT. But how many degrees are there? 6 degrees. So what happened here? It is 6 by 2 is common and becomes this 6 by 2. What is a K? K is a Boltzmann constant. K is called how much? R by N. For N molecules, what is CV? For N molecule, CV is equal to 6 by 2 R. Or we can write like this also. CV is equal to 3R also. Okay? If vibrational is more than, if the vibrational is more than, we can write like this also. We can take. Okay? This is the specific heat of the gas at constant volume for the polyatomic gas is how much? 6 by 2 R or 3 times the universal gas constant. Polyatomics means I am taking 6 degrees. More than that 3 plus F R. And we know that one. Cp minus Cv is equal to how much? R. Then what happened? Cp is equal to Cv plus R. What about Cv? 3R plus R. So becomes it is 4R. Means what is a Cp? Cp is equal, sorry, you write 6 by 2 R. So what we can get? 8 by 2 R. So Cp is equal to how much? 8 by 2 R. Otherwise we can write like this. Cp is equal to 4R. Otherwise Cp is equal to 4F plus R. Are you followed? Now specific heat at constant pressure of a polyatomic gas is 8 by 2 R. Otherwise 4F plus R. 8 by 2 R, 6 degrees of freedom. If more than 6, what we can write? 4 plus F. Cp is 4 plus F. Cv is 3 plus F. Now gamma we want to calculate. What do you want to calculate? Gamma. Gamma is called how much? Cp by Cv. What is Cp? 8 by 2 or by 3 by 2, sorry, 6 by 2 R. Otherwise, R cancel, this is cancel. Otherwise, 4 plus F or by 3 plus F into R. R cancel. So what happened? Gamma is equal to 8 by 6 or 4F plus 3F. So gamma is equal to how much? 4 by 3 or gamma is equal to 4 plus F by 3 plus F. Okay, what is the gamma for polyatomic gas? Gamma for polyatomic gas is 4 by 3 if it has 6 degrees of freedom. More than 6 degrees of freedom, what is the gamma for triatomic molecule, polyatomic molecule? 4 plus F by 3 plus F. Gamma is equal to 4 by 3F. This is the equation for polyatomic gas has 6 degrees of freedom. If it is more than 6 degrees of freedom, what is the gamma? 4 plus F by 3 plus F. Now, monoatomic gas, gamma is equal to how much? Monoatomic gas 5 by 3. Next, diatomic gas, gamma is equal to how much? 7 by 5. Next, polyatomic gas, gamma is equal to how much? 4 by 3. Now how we can write it is 1.66. It is 1.4. It is 1.33. Okay. This is about the specific heat ratio of the monoatomic gas, diatomic gas and polyatomic gas. And this is one of the important question in this chapter.